All right, listen. If you're watching this, you're probably sick of hearing about AI this, AI that, but you have no clue how to actually build something real with it. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how I'm building an image converter mobile app in under 1 hour. No crazy coding background, no $10,000 budget, just raw creativity plus a free tool. Let's get it. Step 1. Find a free image converter API. Quick search, something like Image Conversion API free. For today, I'm using Cloudinary. It's fast, has no cost for basic usage, and is incredibly beginner friendly. Just create an account with your Google account, grab an API key, copy it, and you're good to go. Cloudinary lets you convert images to JPG, PNG, WebP, and more. Perfect for a mobile app, and the best part? You don't need to worry about building all that complicated backend stuff. Their API handles everything for you. But just using the API isn't enough. You need to build the app itself, the UI, the logic. Now jump to Tempo.new. Tempo is an AI-powered visual editor for React, which means you can actually build real functional apps faster than ever with just a few clicks and the right guidance. It's the perfect tool to design and develop without all the complexity. Think of it like this. Instead of spending 6 months learning how to code, you simply describe what you want, and Tempo brings it to life. This is what real leverage looks like. Here's exactly what I did. First, I just logged in with my GitHub account. Boom, in. No drama. Then I hit Generate App. Super clean, super simple. It asked me to choose a framework, and of course I went with Expo, because if you're serious about building mobile apps that actually work on both iOS and Android, that's the move. Next, I dropped in a prompt I cooked up with ChatGPT. Told Tempo, create a fully responsive mobile web app in React. The app should allow users to upload an image, choose the desired output format, e.g. PNG, JPG, WebP, etc. Nothing fancy, straight to the point. Tempo immediately got to work, generated the PRD, laid out a mermaid diagram showing the full user flow. It's crazy how fast it moves. But of course, first time around, error. Now, most people would panic or start Googling for hours. Me, I just let the AI fix itself. Sat back, waited. A few seconds later, done. Problem solved. But when the app loaded, it was just a blank screen. So I sent another quick prompt to Tempo. Hey, I don't see anything. Here's my Cloudinary API key. Gave it a few seconds, and boom, app up and running. Now it's looking clean, real clean. First thing I did, tried again, upload, pick a different format, hit convert, wait a few seconds, download, and boom, it worked perfectly. And at this point, I'm thinking, all right, let's see how far I can push it. So I asked Tempo, add a dark mode, make it clean. Couple of seconds later, dark mode enabled. No joke, it looked so good I actually paused for a second. And the crazy part, you can literally move around the app design with the toolbar, drag across the canvas, select any block, hit the play button and preview the app live, right there inside Tempo. It's like designing, coding, and deploying all in one place without the 3-year computer science degree. Want to change the font, tweak the layout, resize the button? You just click. Done. For me, honestly, I loved the vibe Tempo generated, so I didn't touch a thing. Now, time to make it real. Click the arrow in the top right, chose preview on your phone, downloaded the Expo Go app from the Play Store, scanned the QR code, waited a few seconds, and just like that, the app loaded on my Android. Uploaded an image, picked a format, hit convert, few seconds later, download ready. The app worked perfectly. The UI, honestly, beautiful. Super clean, super minimal, exactly how a real app should feel in 2025. Look, if you're sleeping on AI right now, you're getting left behind. Tools like Tempo.new are changing the game, giving normal people the power to build what they imagine. No gatekeepers, no tech bros, no $10 agency invoices. It's literally you and your ideas versus the world. I'll leave the Cloudinary link, my exact ChatGPT prompt, and Tempo.new sign up in the description. No excuses. Go build something. Catch you in the next one.